Okay, welcome to Zoom Line, ISE 2020. Our booth is in Hall 12, A60 and A70. Today we take some of our advanced products here, and we would like the market to know our capability and our products. So the first one is our COB P0.9, the main screen. Actually, COB is the main competitive advantage for Ledman because we have done many research for many years on this technology. Because this is the new technology for the screens. So now, after years of research, we have been the pioneer in this field. And today we take one 4K plus two 2K screens here, and we have made it into mass productions. For the COB type, up to now, we have started with P1.9 and then go to 1.5 and 1.2. And this year we take P0.9. And also, I would like the customers to have a look at our new one, that is P0.6. Today, we take a demo cabinet here. You know, for the LED, for the fine pitch, it's really difficult how to make it as small as possible. But for COB, we have multiple possibilities. That's using COB technology, we can make it very, very small. And now we have made to 0.6. And in the future, we believe that we can make it much smaller by this technology. And this year, this is a demo unit. And next year, maybe we will make it as the main screens. Okay. For the more details, you can go to our website www.ledman.com. Ledman.